Libra, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titignan natin ano yung energy ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances. Ngayong March 2026. So this is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message or follow you to offer services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com. Nandiyan na lahat ng information. Or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Yung link nasa nasa description at sa comment section. Okay, let's begin. Libra, what's up? What's the energy? Kaperahan for you ngayong March 2026. Okay, so you have Isa. Merong stuck energy sa inyo. You feel like parang may pumipigil or may obstacle sa inyo. You feel like parang na-freeze ka na dyan. Hindi ka na masyadong maayos financially. Bakit ganon? Oo. You have Thurisas. Ito, you are protecting your energies, you are protecting yourself. Pwedeng rin, meron kasing energy dito ng push and pull energy, like you feel you want to do this pero parang nag-hesitate ka kasi may pumipigil sa'yo or merong taong hindi sumusuporta sa gusto mo. So, hindi ka sure. Okay? So, ito yung kailangan mong ayusin ngayong 2026, especially ngayong March. Kasi, maaring, ito rin yung time that you need to finally choose what you really want. Kasi minsan, mahirap mag-decide. Especially kung feeling mo meron kang madidisappoint sa decision mo. O, mahirap nga naman. Na parang, alam mo yung feeling na parang limitado ka. Parang nasa prison ka. Na meron kang gustong gawin, pero hindi mo magawa. Kasi, ayaw mong may ma-disappoint na ibang tao. Pero ikaw yung nadidisappoint. Sarili mo yan eh. Oo. So, it's all up to you if you want to stay in this situation. Kaya lang, the more kasi na dinidelay mo yan, the more na ikaw yung may hirapan. Oo. So, this is about your intuition, your instinct. So, I feel like you will also go with the flow na tipong, para kasing gusto mong gawin ng isang bagay nang walang pumipigil sa'yo. Gagawin mo lang siya pag walang pumipigil. Paano kung may pumipigil pero gusto mo? Oh. Sino masusunod ba sa buhay mo? Ikaw o ibang tao? Diba? New beginnings na nga for you eh. New beginnings, new career, new business, or ano mang gusto mo i-pursue. Yung iba sa inyo gusto niyo i-pursue something related to beauty, to expression, to styling. Kasi Libra, yan eh, ruled by Venus, the planet of beauty. Good cheer. Some of you, meron din namang people or person na sumusuporta sa gusto mong gawin. Kaya lang, syempre, ikaw dapat ikaw pa rin ang may control dapat. Meron namang kumbaga parang sinasabi sa'yo na, you can do that, kaya mo yan. Number 4, maaring napaka-important ng number niya na yan para sa'yo. 4 is about structure and stability and discipline. So, maaring it's time to finally na panindigan mo yung gusto mo. Diba? You are walking away from a situation that is no longer serving you sa trabaho, sa career mo. You've been giving all your time and energy, pero parang hindi nabibigay sa'yo yung dinideserve mo with the 7 of Pentacles. Alam mo yung parang pinapaasa. Halimbawa, sa work, sasabihin sa'yo na, mag-stay ka. Kasi alam mo, next year, baka ma-promote ka eh. Pero alam mo yun, parang puro sila pangako pero hindi naman nangyayari. 'Di ba? So, ito na rin yung time na maaring magigising ka na Teka, ba't parang wala naman? O, diba? With the death card, oh my god, this gives me chills. Kasi the death card, new beginnings, and then 8 of Cups, definitely, this is screaming new career, new source of income. May ending. The Chariot, movement, yung stock energy mo, finally you are moving forward, you are moving to the direction na gusto mo talaga. O, King of Swords, this is you na sasabihin mo sa sarili mo, teka, this is my life, this is my career, this is my business, this is my money, ako dapat ang nasusunod. 'Di ba? O, 3 of Swords, I feel like kahit na meron ka pang masagasaan, like when I say masagasaan, like, ibig sabihin, merong kang ma-disappoint, ganyan. Kahit may ma-disappoint ka this time, you will stand your ground. Na, teka, ito yung gusto ko eh. Ako dapat yung masunod sa career ko, sa buhay ko. Hindi ikaw. Parang ganun. 'Di ba? So, you will finally attend to your needs. Attend to what you really want. But of course, medyo mahirap siya, no, na gawin. It takes a lot of courage. But I feel like meron kasing tao na naniniwala rin sa'yo, na nagsasabi sa'yo na, sige na, gawin mo na. Ito yung gusto mo eh. Ito yung gusto mong explore eh. For example, gusto mo mag-abroad, pero pinipigilan ka kasi, baka mahirapan ka abroad or what. Pero yun talaga yung gusto mong gawin. Or you want to try this new path of source of income, like gusto mong maging content creator, gusto mong mag-resign na sa work, kasi gusto mong maging creative, 'di ba? So, you do you. Gawin mo yung gusto mo. You're going to master money management. Magka-create ka ng budget plan, magsisave ka ng pera mo, mag-i-invest ka. Ayan. You will also do efficient work habits. So, meron ka i-develop na work habits. Like, yung routine mo araw-araw. Ano yung mga priorities mo. You will attend to what's important, ano yung dapat unahin. And you will also invest. You're going to make informed investment decisions. So, magre-research ka ng mga opportunities for you kung paano mo mas mapapadami yung pera mo. Paano mo mas mapapalago. Ayan. And syempre, mas magiging patient ka rin na, syempre, hindi porket nag-invest ka ngayon, bukas meron na agad yung resulta. So, you will be more patient. And I think, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga pagsasabay-sabayan na source of income para hindi rin siya ganun kabiglaan. Para siyang transition ng trabaho, ng career na, okay, like, you want to bago ka mag full-time as content creator, example lang may trabaho ka. So, gusto mo maging content creator. Pero bago ka maging full-time content creator, kasi alam mo, hindi pa siya ganun ka-stable, gagawin mo siya on the side until such time na maging stable na yung income mo as content creator. Saka mo ibibitawan yung trabaho. 'Di ba? Yung regular job. 'Di ba? Ganon. So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.